everyone, welcome to my channel DIY Hooked on Custom Crafts. This is Denise. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to do a short video on making notebook or journal covers, and we're going to use tattoos. I've been wanting to use tattoos, so here we go. I did collect these from Amazon. They were about $6, and I got quite a few here, and also some examples of notebooks I made. There's one there using a clear water slide, and here's another where I just use seashells and kind of the beach theme. Today we're going to be working with 3 mica powders: lavender, pearl white, and violet. And also I'm going to add some glitter to the white, because a girl's got to have her glitter, of course. There we go. So without further ado, let me get that resin mix and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I cut out the tattoo, I'm going to put it right here. Try to center it, turning it around, making sure it fits. Okay, that's good. All right, so then we're going to take our dab rag, okay, now that it's nice and damp, we're just going to rub. Okay, so we did our rubbing, and now let's see what it looks like. Oh my guys, that turned out really pretty. Look at there. Now this here is going to be the actual back side of it. So look at there. So what we're going to do is wait until it dries, and then we'll come back and we'll go ahead and pour our resin. Hi guys, so welcome back. So I had an epic fail. I was recording me pouring the resin. However, of course, I ran out of battery life. But I just want to show you the results, which is the most important part of the video. And that turned out really great. Look how nice that is, guys. And here's the back. I got a little impatient, so there's a little flaw there, but let's peel that back to see what that looks like. Oh my gosh, guys. There's the back. So there you have it. How nice is that? That's really, really, really nice. I'm going to apply a clear coat of resin on the tattoo, and after that we'll be done. So again, thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.